Here we have the Atomic Fuzz. It is a glitchy sounding gated silicon fuzz. Unity gain is located on the volume knob at about 10 o'clock. Other features on the pedal include a compression knob, a half-life knob, and a tone switch called the quench. On the compression knob, if we move it clockwise, we can compress the signal. Moving the knob counterclockwise, we can open up the input frequencies and allow for more bass. Increases the hardness and gate of the signal. Increases softness and sustain. The tone switch, when engaged, will cut lows and cause a slight volume drop. But that can be made up with a 90-degree rotation of the volume knob. And that is the Atomic Fuzz.